Yeah, here now audible.
Yeah. So we have to first collect the data set from the any project, like we have to scrap those data set. Second, we have to data visualization. Second part, data visualization, exploratory data analysis, data pre-processing, and feature engineering part. Like when you are doing the any data science and machine learning project, you have to must follow 5 or 6 steps. First, data collection. Second, data visualization, exploratory data analysis, data pre-processing, and feature engineering. Third, model building. Model building, it means like not a deployment, like you have to deploy the on the Heroku on AWS. Model building, it means you have to dockerize those project MLOps part, and you have to also cover the Jenkins, everything. So here we can start the project from the scratch. Okay, we have not select the any data set from the Kaggle. First of all, we have to try to scratch the any data set. But before jumping into this part, it's totally up to you. You have to select the any one project, like a classification project, regression project, time series projects, and recommendation project. Because when you mention this types of project, like mainly time series or recommendation, lots of companies working on the time series problem and recommendation problem, not like a prediction and classification problem in the industry, as for my knowledge. Okay, because I'm working in Aineron and I see lots of project and lots of clients provide the time series and recommendation system projects. Okay, but you are a beginner, so you can start from the prediction and classification, but not any Kaggle dataset like house price prediction dataset, Titanic dataset. Not. You can start from the scratch. We can collect the dataset from the any website where we can add regression problem. We can also add some of the time series problem, and also we can add the some of the recommendation system. Let's take some one example, real time example. Like if we have a flight dataset, okay, if we can start working on the airlines dataset, where we can predict the delay of the flight. Delay means first departure delay. I just open my camera 1 second. Yeah, first departure delay and second arrival delay. Here, let's, if 8 p.m. flight is delay, okay, if the 8 p.m. flight is delay, first this is the regression problem, because we have to predict the delay of the flight. In a delay of the flight, we have the two target variable. First, arrival delay. Second, departure delay. Okay. After that, we have to add some of the recommendation part here. Recommendation part means if the 8 p.m. flight is delay, then we can recommend some of the flights. Like if the flights is available on 8 p.m., 8:30, 8:25, or 9 p.m., then we can recommend those flight. If the flight is not available, then we can add some other route, like Delhi to Mumbai. Delhi to Mumbai, if the flight is available only one route, then we can recommend. If one route flight is not available, then we can recommend 2 or 3 routes, like first Delhi to Bangalore, then Bangalore to Pune or Mumbai, like 2 or 3 routes. But we can first of all try to provide as soon as possible simple flights, like a one, then second one, like Delhi to Bangalore and Bangalore to Mumbai, like this. So here in a flight delay prediction, we can add a regression problem as well as a time series, some of the time series, because we have to check the time duration of all those things. So here we can also add the time series. Third, we can also recommend this. We can add a recommendation system for recommending some of the flights. So it depends on you. You can select the any regression problem. If possible, then we can add a time series. If possible, then we can add a recommendation part as well. Going forward, not now, but going forward, we can add. Second, during this, we can like main agenda of this meeting. It depends. So like today in this meeting, we have I thought 14 people are joined. Okay, so if the 14 people are interested to work on the any project from the scratch, then we can divide the 7 people in the one group, 7 people in the another group, so that we can work on the 2 projects parallelly. If you facing any types of problem, we have organized from my side. We have try to organize one meeting every week, and if you want to organize one meeting, internal meeting, then you can take a meeting. Otherwise, you can discuss in the group. It totally depends on you, how you have to proceed on this. Okay? Any question here? Guys?
Yes, Ivan, we are clear.
Anyone?
Sir, what are the role for the freshers that are just starting for the data science
See, I
career?
already mentioned in the group. Here, only prerequisite you have to know the Python and Python library. Python library means pandas, numpy, and visualization, C1 or matplotlib. If you have no idea about the ML, then going forward, when ML part is coming, like in a regression, if in a regression, we can add going forward, we can add a, if need a regression, like linear regression. Okay. Then parallelly, you will try to learn. But right now, not needed ML. If you have a knowledge of Python library, NumPy, Pandas, then we can proceed. And if you need any types of field, we will help you. Okay, clear? Hello. Hello.
Okay, so Sarita ma'am, she has asked you to repeat what you have said. Okay, so like he was just saying that we are just going to do some projects actually. Basically, now we are around 14 here. So if all 14 are interested in doing this project, we are just going to get splitted into two teams, and we will be simultaneously working in the two projects actually. So this won't be like like a basic Kaggle project like advanced house prediction or Titanic or whatever it is. So and so which is a common thing
No,
everyone
we
does.
cannot
It should
start
not
at
be like
the
that.
house price prediction or Titanic dataset. We can take a real-time
Yeah,
project.
that's what like we are going to do a real time project, not like a Kaggle project actually.
Yeah.
So the prerequisite of this thing is that this is for freshers. I'm specifically saying. Even I'm a fresher to say. Let me just introduce myself. I'm Vasant, a second year guy who's having a CSE background now. So currently I have some 3 months experience of doing an internship in Prithvi.ai, a company which is in North India. So I'm also a fresher to say. So for the things like fresher and who has stuff thoughts like that, don't think like that. Even I'm a fresher, I'm also going to get involved in this. So yeah,
Yeah,
just
if
the
you
basics
need
of
any
what you said.
types of
Yeah,
help, we will help you. Don't worry for this.
obviously.
Okay.
Just
Clear?
the basics of what you said. Yeah. Who like his name? He didn't mention his name. He or she. Yes, it was taught. So just you should know about Python. Obviously, if it is Python, it means the scripting part and the OOPS part. And along with Python, you should also know NumPy, Pandas, and some visualization library of your convenience. It be Matplotlib, Seaborn, or Plotly or Cufflinks, or also even if you are fine, you can also try to do Power BI actually. If you want Power BI, Tableau, whatever it is, even in this, if it is Excel, because we are just going to bring out some insights out of it. So it is of your convenience.
Yeah, guys. Any question, anyone?
Sir, the projects are already decided, or we can give
No.
suggestions.
You have a one big, you can decide a project. Any regression,
Okay.
classification, time series, or recommendation system. It's totally up to you. Then we can start. First of all,
Sure.
try to select the problem statement. Okay. And after select the problem statement, if you want to scratch like using web scraping, if you want to collect this data set from the any website or anywhere. Otherwise, if you are unable to find the problem statement or data set, then I will try to provide you the data set from the Kaggle, but not a dummy project like a house price prediction or Kaggle, like a Titanic data set.
Okay, sir.
Here
Sure.
we can work on the real-time project. Okay.
Yeah.
So I think it's not needed to call us sir actually. We are also
Yeah.
very young. He's just 2019 passed guy. I'm just a second year guy now, so it is fine with bro or like even
Yeah,
fine
you
with
can just
names.
call me my name. No problem.
Okay, okay, sorry. Actually, I used to follow him on YouTube, so
Yeah, lots of
I used
people
to call
know
him.
me on
So
the via LinkedIn and YouTube. Yeah.
yeah,
Any question?
fine.
Ajay, Balwant, Harsh, Neil, Sharita, Saurabh, Dibya, Roshan. Guys, this is the two-way communication. Just open your mic and ask a question if you have.
Yeah, hello Shivan.
Yeah, Shita. Go ahead.
Yeah, you're taking data set from Kaggle, right?
No, first of all, this is from your side. Select the problem statement, regression, classification, time series, or recommendation system. Okay. Then scrap this data set if possible. Otherwise, I will provide you the data set from the Kaggle, but not a dummy project. I will try to provide a real-time project.
How much time it will take to complete?
If you
So yeah,
want,
it is based on yeah, to say like it's based on your work speed and work like interest. Everything it depends actually. If
yeah,
you are interested and you are like so into it and you are having some knowledge how to scrape data and how to do some project, it is easily possible to do within 3 days. Yeah, max to max it will take 1 week. So he planned to give us 1 week actually.
yeah.
Okay, after completion, we can add that project in our resume also.
Yes, yes. So
Yeah,
for this
obviously.
purpose, mainly we can organize this meeting so that you can add real-time project in your resume.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay. Thank you. I'm clear.
So the main purpose of this one is right, like obviously I and Shivan bro used to have a lot of conversations when we are having finding time because like all the beginners think the projects are somewhat different. The end-to-end projects can be done in a single day or 2 days or 3 days. So like it should not be like that. When we are going to like to an interview, right? We should amaze that interviewer by giving some end-to-end projects showing that see I'm a full stack guy who knows from scraping the dataset to deploying and then do some model retraining. So that is the main agenda of creating this community actually
And
for
going
this
forward, we have
project.
also another plan we will add, but not now. Going forward, we will add something for the community. Okay. I hope you
Sure,
guys
sir.
are clear. Any question, anyone? All clear, no
No,
doubt.
sir. That was only the question that I am fresher. I have no prior knowledge about the data science, but I have did some digging in the what is data science, what is it all about. You have to know about Python and MySQL, something about libraries that you talked about.
Hmm.
So I thought I was so noob and fresher in this field, and I want to do the projects of data science because of that the girl said, sorry, I don't know the name. I want to add to the resume and all. That's why I've asked before also. It's okay,
See,
na?
recent way, there are lots of people add a Kaggle project like a Titanic dataset and a house price prediction in a resume. Okay. So if you have a basics knowledge of Python library, then you can start working on the project. Parallelly, if needed, yeah, going forward is needed, then you can learn parallelly ML and stats. Okay, because this is the not a one day. This project takes time to complete, and you can learn parallelly. It depends on you totally. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Any question, guys? Anyone?
Shivan,
Yeah,
I had
Avinash.
one question.
Hmm.
Like I have completed the ML course from iNeuron and making one project by myself. I have knowledge regarding Python library, scrapping and
Which
ML
project you are
algorithm.
completing from your end?
I'm doing one. Yeah, from my end and also from internship. From my end, I'm doing one project like I have taken 5 data sets from Kaggle:
Okay.
heart disease, cancer, liver, kidney,
Hmm.
like this five data sets. I have solved them and I'm facing difficulty like while creating model, we have to keep them in one file only, and otherwise I have to host them differently, all models differently, and use API to connect them. That would be more difficult. So I wanted to, a little bit help from your side.
Okay, no worry. I will help you. You can connect me tomorrow
And
after 10
and
o'clock, anytime.
okay, okay, sure, sure. And one more question, like I'm full time doing projects only. Can I participate in 2 projects in this community?
Yeah, you can.
I have time, like I can give time, so
Yeah, you
and
can.
it
It
will help.
depends on you only.
Yeah, yeah.
But make sure
Okay, okay.
if we are assigning you a task, then you can complete.
Sure, sure. I'll complete on time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you are unable to complete, then within a 2 or 3 week, we will remove.
Okay, okay, sure.
Okay, because if we will give you the time, then we want some output from your side as well.
Yes, sure, sir. Sure, sure. I understand.
Yeah. Next question, please. No? Okay, fine. If you have
We
another
are
question,
going to,
yeah,
when we are going to start the projects, because of the engineering exams are going to be held from 15 March something. That's why I was asking.
Your exams are start, right? See, if you take only 2 hours for this project, 2 hours is enough every day. This project takes time. It's not completed within a 1 week or within a day. It takes some time. So if you have a 2 hour per day, then you can join. Yeah, sorry. We can start today. I will assign you a task today. Any other question?
No.
No? So I will just assign you the task. Your first task, try to find one problem statement from the Kaggle. First, second, in a real-time project. Like I already told you the one example, airline project. Okay. So same thing, we have to try to find out one problem. First, you have a 1 week of time to create a data set or find the problem statement. I will try to take every week 1 or 2 meeting, probably one meeting on Sunday or Wednesday or Thursday, because I am also busy on my office work. So Thursday or Wednesday, I will try. Okay. So first of all, try to find out one problem statement, Kaggle or anywhere. Or if you want to work on the, like, this is the airlines prediction problem. Okay. You have a 4-part: first regression, second classification, third time series, and fourth is a recommendation system. It's totally up to you which project you guys are starting. Because in a today meeting, we have like a 15 to 17 people. Okay. Then we can divide in a 2 groups, first A and B, and then we can start a parallelly 2 projects. And if you want to contribute in both of them, it's fine for me. It depends on you. But we need an output from your side as well. If you join the both of the project. Okay. I hope it's clear to everyone.
Yes, yes.
Any question, guys? Anyone regarding the like finding the problem statement and anything else?
Hi, Mr. Shiv Kumar. This is
Yeah,
Gautam.
yeah.
Actually, I joined in the middle. Sarita has invited me.
Okay.
If I want to know about this project further, I joined in the middle. No, I missed something, I think. I'm really much, very much interested, but I'd like to know detail about this project.
Okay. So for
Should
the
I
next time,
contact
if you
later, or-
interested in the working on the project, then try to join on time. Okay. So mainly in today meeting, we have to discuss few of the points. Okay. we are trying to start some real-time project from the scratch. Okay, when you are doing any data science or machine learning project, you have to follow some of the steps. First steps, if you are
Okay.
working in the client's project, then clients provide you the data set in the any format, JSON format or any other format. Okay, but sometimes
Mhm.
your client just told you, okay, scrap this data set, and then you have to start working on this data set. Okay,
Okay.
then you have to first of all scrap those data set. First part in a data science, in you are doing any data science project, first part is the data collection part. Okay, sometimes clients are providing you
Yes,
the
yes.
data set, sometimes not. So you have to scrap those data set. After collecting the data set, you have to work on the data visualization, exploratory data analysis, data pre-processing, and feature engineering. This is the second step. In the third step,
Yes.
model building and model deployment. Model deployment means we have to not deploy on the Heroku. We have to Dockerize our model, we have to retrain our model, and then we have to work on the MLOps part. Because in an industry
Okay.
working on everything, when you see, I see lots of posts on the LinkedIn, people just work on the data, not a data collection part. This is a forget. Just people select the any data set from the Kaggle, house price prediction, Titanic, or any other data set. Work on the data visualization, EDA, and data pre-processing. Also, people forget about the feature engineering part and just deploy on the Heroku, and people just add this project in the resume. Okay, I have done this project, but industry not needed these types of the project if you have not working on the real-time project. Because
Yes, yes.
there are lots of resume when you see lots of people add the house price prediction, Titanic data set, IPL data set, but in an interviewer when see these types of project, when you apply for the any job or internship, first screening is the like a resume selection. Then your like a company provide you the assignment, but first task you have to select it in a resume. If your resume is not selected, then your company not provide you the any assignment. Okay, so first your resume is selected, so you can add a real-time project here, not a dummy project like a Titanic or Kaggle, like Titanic or a house price prediction. Okay,
Mhm.
so
Okay, okay.
here we can work on the real-time project. We have to scrap any data set from the any website. Okay, like in a airlines, I already told this example. Airlines, if we scrap those airlines data set, then in a airlines we have to predict, okay, this flight is the delay or not. Delay, it means departure delay or a arrival delay. Here we have a two target variable, arrival and departure. But this is the
Okay.
prediction problem. Here we can also add the time series part as well as a recommendation part. If 8 p.m. flight are delayed 1 hour or 2 hours, then we can recommend some of the flights if available. Flights are available, then we can recommend those flights. If one routes are available, then we can recommend one routes. If two routes, three routes, then we can recommend all those flights. Okay, so here we can
Yes, yes. Okay.
this is not a prediction problem. This is the time series problem, and we can add everything. If you select
Yes, yes.
any real-time project, then first we have to start working on the prediction. Going forward, we can add a time series. Going forward, if possible, then we can add a time series and recommendation part as well. It depends on the project. It depends on you if you are working on. Okay.
Okay, got it, got it, got it.
Any other question? Gautam?
Further, if you want to contact any mail ID and how we can connect with you
No, you can
or
connect
with the
directly
team.
here in a group. I will try to take every week one meeting from my side. If you want to take a meeting from internal meeting from your side, then you can organize. Like in a today meeting, we have a
Okay.
17 member. Okay, so we can start parallelly two
Yes.
projects. Two projects,
Okay.
and we have to divide the 17 member in two groups. Okay, but
Okay.
make sure
Okay.
if you join this project and if I assign you the some project, we needed the output from your side as well. Okay, this is compulsory for everyone. If you are interested, then you can join, otherwise leave. I have not a problem for this.
Yeah, yeah, Yes, yes. We're interested. We're interested.
Yeah, no. This is for everyone, not from you only. This is for everyone.
Yeah. My end it is okay. Fine. My end it is. I'm interested.
Any question, guys? Anyone?
Yeah, Shivan.
Yeah,
You
Shweta, go
said
ahead.
that we have to spend 2 hours per day, right?
Mhm.
What are the timings for
No,
morning
it's
or evening?
no. I just like we have a meeting 9 p.m. today. Okay, I just assign you a today task one like finding a problem statement. Okay, it depends on you. You can invest like 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. It totally depends on you. But make sure before the next meeting you have to complete this task. Anyhow, and if you unable to complete this task within a 2 week, 2 or 3 week, then I will start removing those people because I want some output from your side as well. Okay. And if you need, I will not help you in the coding, but if you want to understand some of the concepts, then I will help you, but not in the coding.
Yeah,
No,
we
not in
that
coding,
coding also. Yeah.
guidance, something.
Yeah, I will.
What we have to do next.
Yeah, everything. I have also 2 or 3 members, but there is some issue for network problem, so the people are not joined. But yeah, we have 2 or 3 more member. He is working as a junior data scientist. We will try to help you in every stage if you want. Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
Any other question, guys? Anyone?
Excuse me, Shivan, I have one question.
Yeah, Neil, go ahead.
Yeah, so this is my first project regarding the data science.
Mm-hmm.
So you said you have to find the problem statement.
Mm-hmm.
This is your first task.
Mm-hmm.
So can you give me some the knowledge or some ways to find the?
I already told you the airlines example. Airlines
Sorry,
example.
I didn't understand exactly because your voice was breaking in between.
Bashan,
There
can you
is
explain? Yeah, actually, I have a fever, so Bashan.
yeah no
Yeah. So Neil, right? So Neil,
yes
first of all, just come to a mindset that what are you going to work on? Either it is a prediction problem or it is a classification problem. First, come to a mindset like that, and then the second step would be try to see some like I'm saying how I would do some workflow. It is depends on person to person to say. Try to see some things like data sets for classification, put it in that way, and see some data sets, take some reference, see to that it has a lot of features, and it should be somewhat complex to solve actually. Because, for example, house price prediction and Titanic and all, everyone does. So there is no point in doing it as a end-to-end problem. For example, if you see, right, let me show you a Kaggle project itself actually. Just a minute.
yeah sure
See, guys, we have to work on these 4 projects: regression, classification, time stage, and recommendation system. If needed, we can add if we have a regression problem, then we can add time stage or recommendation system as well, if needed. You can find a problem statement for this, mainly regression, classification, time stage, or recommendation. But my advice is start working on regression and classification first. Going forward, we can add time stage and recommendation system as well. Yeah, Vasant, go ahead.
Yeah, just seeing a data set actually. An example data set of this one. Okay. I guess everyone should be aware of this churn prediction, right? Churn prediction is like whether he will leave or not, or like he would be continuing, or like if we give a loan, he will be giving or not, the returns. So that's what churn prediction is all about. I'm also showing now a specific data set actually to you, like that. Not it's not a common data set actually, not a churn prediction means this delinquency data set, not like that. This is telecom users data set actually. Just 899 MB, a small data set to say. I'm just showing an example, right? So this is also like not a common thing. Don't like everyone doesn't take this and all. See, like it is that based on some features like this, right? We should say that if the customer will have like with the customer will go on with our telecom service, or like he will leave from our telecom first service. That is what the like business problem statement is all about. See, like this data set was just updated 6 days ago. Try to make like see to that the data set is just 1 years ago, or like 6 months ago. Try to see in that range actually before that, because like if it is very old, right, a lot of the guys would have tried to do something with that data set. For example, if you see this telecom user data set, a lot of guys would not have tried something with this. So if we start to do something with this, right, it would be nice. These are like some ways. It's not that you should search here alone. You can put some like data science classification data sets. You can also put it in this way, and you will receive a lot of things from this. Whatever you like, you can just select it. This is also a way. You say a repository, that is also a different one, where you will also get a lot of data sets again. Repository. You see, like I used to get a lot of data sets from here. Your interest, personal interest actually. So this is how I used to search data sets, guys. So Neil, you got it?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
I'll see. The sir is not needed as well, right? Just a second.
Okay, bro.
Yeah, that's fine. So any other queries? Right? Yeah.
I thought Shivam Singh, right? One like
Yeah.
we have to work on the job recommendation system. Here, Shivam, if you take a job recommendation system, yeah, this is a very good problem statement. Here, you can add some freelancing project, some full-time project, as well as some part-time project. But it depends on you guys. First of all, select the any project, regression, classification, time series, or recommendation system. It depends on you. You have a 1 week. I will try to take a next meeting on probably Friday or Saturday. Friday, we will update you before 24 or 48 hours, because I have also office work. So before 24 or 48 hours, I will update you in the group. Okay?
Yeah,
So,
of course. Actually, yeah, Shivan. So actually, because of the all training process, I am a trainer, and I didn't get time for basically this kind of a thing. So when you posted this thing on our WhatsApp group, so I think yes, we can make some so some way if I can manage some time, so definitely we can make some big thing, maybe some good project.
yeah.
And you have also basically add we are not going to work on this small kind of a data set, means just take a data set from Kaggle and then start working on it. We can basically scrap data from the websites, and then means end to end.
Yeah, we can
which
start this
basically
project from
company
the
needed.
scratch.
Yeah, so in my opinion, this may be a good project as a job recommendation system.
Yeah,
And
actually, this project
definitely
is
people
already
can
completed. Some of my intern in iNeuron.
okay.
Okay, this project is already completed, and presently we are working on the MLOps and
Oh,
Dockerization.
but
Yes.
yeah, it's good. But I think most of the member in this group are freshers. So whatever the project they basically suggest, most of the project is completed by iNeuron. iNeuron is basically a big firm, as
Yeah.
I know.
No, so
So
people have the 1 week
yeah,
of time. He can select the any problem
yeah.
statement, okay, and then we have to start working from the scratch. We have to scrap those data set, and then we have to going forward, we can start a EDA and all those things. First of all, people
Yeah,
have to
definitely. And
select.
as you suggest, as you suggest, I am more basically interested if people have suggested about a time series or maybe a recommendation system.
Recommendation
So
system.
if you guys are going to work on
Yeah,
this kind of a
actually,
project, so
actually this,
it will be very helpful.
yeah, these types of project needed for the industry. But in this
Yeah,
meeting,
definitely.
lots of people are the fresher. So first of all,
Yeah.
main agenda to clear the basics concepts of the regression and classification.
Most of the them are fresher, but as I today itself I got to know about Vasant. So I think if I know Vasant from a group, so he basically used to display his work like Power BI on Power BI and most of the thing.
Mhm.
So he's in second year, but he definitely basically
Yeah, depends on the
knows a lot.
person. Depends on the person. Everything.
Yeah.
So first of all, like I would like to thank Shivam actually, like for his.
No, I basically look at your work, and you are definitely you are a genius, man. If you are in the second
No,
year, so
I'm
you are a
not a
genius
genius. I just try to
from
help
my end.
for our community mainly.
From
And
my end,
going
because
forward, I will try to
in
add more things in this community. I have a plan, but not now.
Always,
After
yeah, like
completing the 1
always,
or 2 week, I will add.
yeah.
always I wanted to
Shivam,
show like
Shivan, I watch your basically YouTube videos. So you are also doing a great job.
Yeah, thanks, man. Okay, guys. So your first task, select the problem statement. Any problem statement, it depends on you. Okay, and we can divide this project in 2 groups. We can select the 2 project here. Okay, and 10 into 20 because now participant is 20, so we can divide and make sure if you want to join this project, if you want to working on this project, then we need some output from your side. If you are unable to deliver output, then within not 1 week, 3 and 4 week, I will remove you. Anyhow, then try to complete your task if you are working on in this project. It depends on you totally. Okay, Basant, you want to add something here?
no, not a lot of things. I would like to see some new approaches of data sets from
Yeah, you
the
can
community.
guys, you can discuss everything in the group. Okay,
That's what I would say.
yeah, and also ask your friends if your friends are joining this meeting or working on the real-time project, then you can start.
Yeah, Shivan, some of my students can join basically this thing. They basically, I think this will help them.
Yeah, if the people are
Kind
need start
That's what I
working on
wanted
types
to
of
say
project, if
actually.
people need it, then he can start. I have not a problem. I will take
Yeah,
every
I
week 1 or 2
definitely,
meeting from my
I
side
will
mainly.
definitely let know my
And you are
students
also a
so they can
trainer,
also
so you
get
can
it.
also help on this.
Yeah, Shivan bro. That's what I wanted to say to Shivam Singh bro actually,
Yeah, Shivam
because
Singh.
I saw his profile that he's a ML trainer and also freelance ML engineer. So it would be fine to have your students or your colleagues to involve in this actually.
Yes.
Yeah,
It would
definitely.
And I add one more thing,
Yeah,
guys.
I will definitely let.
After 1 or 2 week, going forward, if you are doing good, I have some recommendation on Delhi region and Mumbai region, especially not in the Bangalore region, but yeah, Delhi region and Mumbai region. If you're doing good, then I will recommend you. But first, I need output from your side. Okay? As a fresher, I will help you in iNeuron or anywhere.
I have one more doubt.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello? Am I audible?
Yes. Go ahead.
I have one doubt. You are saying that we have to collect the data from websites. They are suggesting job recommendation, also some like that. No?
Mm-hmm.
I don't have any idea how to collect the data.
Okay, come up with a problem statement. Okay, like in your team 10 members are there. Okay, if possible first we will try to scrap. If possible, we will try to learn scrapping tools and all those things. Okay. And if it's not possible, then we are trying to provide you the Kaggle, not a dummy project. Not a dummy project. I will send you the very good project from the Kaggle. Because when you show my
Oh.
Kaggle profile, I also work on the some of the competition part as well as I am a Kaggle master. And in a competition, I
Shravan.
got a 3 ranks. You can check my Kaggle profile.
Hello.
Also. Yeah, Akash, go ahead.
Are you doing some code or something, right? Are you talking about some codes or something?
Here in the meeting?
Yeah.
No.
I just joined now. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry to interrupt. I just joined now. I'm just curious.
Sorry, I will upload this meeting after 12 or 20 hours in my YouTube channel. You can check because I will not explain you again and again same question here.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's okay.
So-
Another thing I had to ask you.
Yeah.
I'm also a fresher.
I just
All right,
brief you
so-
one here. We can start working on one real-time project, not a dummy project like a Kaggle house price and Titanic dataset. Okay. For this, we can start from the very scratch data collection part. Okay. So here we have a 4 types of problem. I just show you. See, first regression task, classification task, time series, and recommendation system. It depends on you guys. You have to select 1 or 2 problem statement related to regression or classification. Going forward in a regression, if possible, we can add a time series and recommendation system as well. Okay. Akash, got it?
Yes, bro. So one more thing I had to ask you, bro. Being a fresher, what kind of projects would you like to earn? I'm not talking about the Kaggle projects. I'm talking about which domain projects should we focus on?
See, industry needed
for
mostly
general.
a time series and recommendation system project.
All right.
Mainly
So
industry
only
need time
with-
series and recommendation system. But for the interview,
Shivan,
yeah.
Shivan, if I understand you clearly, are you saying we are going to be working on 4 projects and then we can pick each of these projects that we choose to participate in? Okay.
Yeah, you can select any one. It depends on you mainly. And going forward, if possible, in a regression, if you select the regression problem, then if possible, then we can add a time series and recommendation system as well. Okay.
Okay,
All
that's
right,
fine.
bro.
Yeah. Akash, any question?
No, I just had this question, brother. Thank you so much for clearing this out.
Any other question, guys? Anyone? Okay, fine. No. Shivam, I request you, please join this meeting every week, if possible, from your side. Because you are also a trainer, so it helps for the community. Shivam?
Yeah, he just left actually.
Okay.
He also messaged me. He asked if this agenda is completed. He said he would be joining.
Okay, fine. Fine, guys. If you have not any question, then we can conclude this meeting. Try to come up with your ideas and your problem statement in the next meeting. Okay. And if you want to discuss
Okay, bro.
anything, you can ask in the group. Okay. I will help you or other member will help you.
Thank you, bro.
Okay, guys.
Yes, always-
Thank you so much.
All right. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes,
Always feel
thanks.
bring us in the group actually.
Yeah,
If you have
if you
any
have any question, you can ask in the group.
Yes, bro. Fine.
Yeah. Fine, guys. So let's meet in the next meeting. Okay. Come up with your ideas. Very good ideas. Not dummy. Okay. Yeah. Bye, guys. Good night.
Yes, bye.
Thank you very much.